What are the best ways of driving traffic to a group?
There
What
are
is the best?
tons, there are so many ways. One of the most effective ways that I have found, like I said, you can definitely connect your Facebook page to your group. That's one way. Another is to advertise your Facebook group everywhere, to include having a link on your primary website. Like, you know, in your nav bar where you've got like home and you've got products or services or whatever, you know, a free group, free Facebook group, whatever, and make sure that you are taking advantage of all traffic sources that you have, because people will be like, oh, what's that about? And they'll check, click on it, and if it's of interest to them, then they'll absolutely add themselves to the group. So obviously, you know, if you're doing interviews like this, mention your group, or there's so many other ways, but it's all about making sure that your group is front and center and literally any place where you have a traffic source.